The history of solfeggio, frequencies for healing, dates back centuries, rooted in ancient musical traditions, particularly from the Gregorian chants used by Christian monks in the 11th century. The solfeggio scale, distinct from the modern musical scale, consists of specific sound frequencies believed to have been used in these chants to promote spiritual and physical healing. The original solfeggio scale comprises 6 frequencies: 396 Hz for liberating guilt and fear, 417 Hz for undoing situations and facilitating change, 528 Hz for transformation and miracles, often associated with DNA repair, 639 Hz for connecting and balancing relationships, 741 Hz for expression and solutions, and 852 Hz for awakening intuition and returning to spiritual order. In the 1970s, Dr. Joseph Puleo rediscovered these frequencies while studying the Bible, using numerology to identify the 6 core frequencies within the Book of Numbers. Today, solfeggio frequencies are used in various healing practices, such as meditation, sound therapy, and holistic healing for emotional, mental, and physical well-being. This ancient and mysterious sound system continues to capture the imaginations of those interested in the connection between sound, spirituality, and well-being. To learn more, read Tina Ketch's The Sound of Healing wherever books are sold.